Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm trying to live my best nerd life. Now, some of my regular viewers might know I have a fascination with companies that send out t-shirts on a monthly basis, and in particular one company, and that company is the Monthly Tea Club. And I've decided to continue with paying for my monthly subscription. Now, in the last Monthly Tea Club video that I did, I got a package that contained 2 t-shirts. One t-shirt that I chose myself and the other t-shirt which was chosen completely at random. And this time I've just decided to go back to the single t-shirt because, to be honest, I only want one t-shirt a month. I've got enough as it is. And in this video I'm going to be unboxing this t-shirt and showing you what it is. So let's get started. Take the rubber band off. Okay, so it's in cardboard box as usual with a nice pattern on it, which is very conscious towards the environment, which is always a positive thing. And hey, so this is a Free Hugs t-shirt, and obviously this is modelled on the facehugger from the Alien franchise, and he is he's facehugging a poor bear, which is very, very mean of him. There was quite a lot of selection this month, to be honest. There was this one, and then there was also like a retro gaming sort of t-shirt. And I didn't know which to choose. I talked to my girlfriend, and we both kind of decided on going for the Alien franchise t-shirt because we both love Alien. And I've also got a little facehugger plush up there. So kind of on brand sort of thing. So I'm just going to try this on, get back to you, and we'll see how it fits. And here we go, guys. This is my t-shirt, if you can see that on camera. I like the kind of black colour of it. It gives a good contrast between the picture and the actual fabric, so that is always positive. So yeah, anyway guys, this is only a short video. I tend to usually wait a bit before I do my Monthly Tea Club video, but I've got quite a few things on that I'm planning. Good content for you guys, hopefully, that you enjoy. So I thought, yeah, just a quick one today. And you know, if you did enjoy this video, even if it was on a bit of the short side, then by all means, comment, like, subscribe, all that random social media goodness. And as always, thank you very much for your time.